Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to set touch and hold delay time duration on Samsung smartphone. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your Samsung smartphone. Then scroll down and find out Accessibility. Tap Accessibility. Now tap Interaction and Dexterity. Under touch settings, you will see touch and hold delay. Tap touch and hold delay. Set how long it takes for continuous touch to be recognized as a touch and hold. This doesn't affect the keyboard. You can set very slow, 0.3 seconds. Then go back to home screen and touch and hold on the screen. After 0.3 seconds, your touch and hold recognized. Now go back and tap Custom Touch and Hold in the box for your desired custom touch and hold delay time. When you're satisfied, tap Save. Keep pressing on the button and set your touch and hold time duration. When satisfied, tap Save. Now go back to home screen and touch and hold on the screen. After 2.66 seconds, your touch and hold recognized. From here, you can set touch and hold time duration very slow, short, medium, and long, or you can customize. So, these are the steps to set touch and hold delay time duration on Samsung smartphone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.